Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer knowledge into Glean using connectors, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer knowledge into Glean using connectors, start by accessing the Glean platform. Log in to your Glean account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see various options. Locate the Connectors section in the navigation menu. Click on Connectors to explore the available options for integration. Review the list of supported applications and sources. Select the connector that corresponds to the knowledge source you want to transfer. Click on the selected connector to initiate the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate and allow access to the source. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions for data transfer. Once authenticated, configure the connector settings as required. Specify the types of knowledge you wish to transfer, such as documents, articles, or notes. Set any filters or parameters to target specific content within the source. Choose how frequently you want the data to sync with Glean. Review your selections and verify that all settings are accurate. Click Save or Connect to finalize the setup. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful integration. Return to the dashboard to monitor the data transfer progress. Check back periodically to ensure the content is being imported as expected. Take note of any notifications related to the data transfer process. If errors occur, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Glean support documentation. Once the transfer is complete, explore the imported knowledge within Glean. Utilize the search functions to verify that your content is accessible. Adjust your connector settings if needed for future updates. Regularly review the knowledge transferred to ensure it remains relevant. Explore additional connectors for further knowledge integration as needed. Familiarize yourself with Glean's features to maximize the utility of your transferred knowledge. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer knowledge into Glean using connectors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.